We know what you want when it comes to RV service. You want a smooth and stress-free process. Well, I'm here to tell you, it doesn't exist. Did you know a best case scenario RV repair takes about 37 days? Now, if your repair involves warranty, it prolongs the process to about 56 days. And if parts are out of stock, stack on another 2 weeks. We're talking 71 days of prime camping season that you're not kidding. All while still making payments on your RV. This process is broken and miserable, and we know that. But your irate and often vulgar feedback turns our wrenches and fuels our revolution. So here's what we're doing. With BishFix, we'll break the mold of traditional RV service. When something goes wrong with your RV, we're going to give you a direct line to one of our master RV technicians. They see what you see and start diagnosing faster than you can say, "Where's my wrench?" We'll give you a call to set up a time to bring in your RV, keeping your RV only a few days versus months. So you can keep enjoying things like lastly, not every issue can be diagnosed or solved right away. For those that fall in this bucket, we're sorry. But more often than not, we can make this all happen like zip, zap, zoopity bap. So if your RV is more breakdowns than a country song, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Because your RV deserves freedom. And so do you.